Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Stefan, and if you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Make sure to smash that like button if you found any kind of value, and make sure to subscribe to because on this channel with a lot of videos like this every single day or on a daily basis, and make sure to turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss any. And let's just keep it as simple, short, and begin as fast as possible as always. So as you can see right now, you have XTZ or Tezos with the USDT or Tether token. Tezos right now is sitting at a price of around $3.80. Today we are down. We are not that down though. We are 0.08% down. You see, this is quite fluctuating. This is saying that we're having a bullish day, but we are down. Like it is what it is. And I think that we will be closing somewhere around here, around 370, I guess. Let's just go to the lower time frames so we can look this more clear. I think that today we'll be closing somewhere at 3.75, 3.74. We will see, bro. We can see that from the last 5 candles, we can see that we had one bullish one, but the sellers are worrying into the market. They came firstly, came back down, then the buyers went in. But for the following candle was again down 2.70%. And just consider in mind that this is a 1 hour. Every candle represents 1 hour of the chart, so yeah. So this is how it looks like. With the wick, we basically surpassed it, but I think that this is where we'll be closing, or we will be down at 3.74, 3.75. But this is just for my daily chart analysis. Overall, this is my long-term analysis. That when the pressure builds up from the down, we should push to the upside. We could have gone to the downside, but I don't think this will be the thing that will be happening right now. Let me know what are your thoughts about it. And this is basically it. Like, I don't want to repeat myself over and over again. Let me know what are your thoughts, and make sure to smash the like button because it helps me out a lot. And if you want to support my channel, just do that. Smash the like button right now. It does not cost anything. And if you want to earn some free money, of course, just check the description down below, and I will see you guys soon. Peace.